What is up, guys, and welcome to The Capitalist Investor, back with another video. Today's video is going to be a very short video, but I just wanted to show you my investment portfolio within Freetrade, which is an application I use in the UK, which is free to use currently. You can have a basic account or an ISA account. I've got both, and I'll explain the reason why I've got both shortly. Currently, both accounts are free. However, the investment ISA is going to start charging, I think, at the beginning of December, and that'll be a £3 charge per month. I'm going to do another video on how we can mitigate that £3 a month very easily, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'll just show you quickly my basic portfolio and what contains in there. So as you can see, I've got sort of £700 currently in here. I've only really recently started this basic account, and that's really just to hold my real estate investment trusts. So you can see that I've got 3 here, albeit they're not particularly performing very well. This one here, New River, seems to be down quite a lot over the month. But all I'm sort of doing is continuing to purchase more and more of the shares as the price drops. So you'll see that I've continued to buy sort of regularly whilst this price has been dropping, because I think this is still a good investment. And the rental income will be great, I think, and obviously as the price gets cheaper, the yield from that increases. The student living one still seems to be doing particularly well, with an increase of 3.2%. I sort of hold little bits in that. The reason I hold so much in New River is really just to try and dollar cost average this one down, because I bought it at such a high one compared to what it is now. I'm just putting more money into that one to secure that one. So then if I switch to my investment ISA, which currently has £2,805.10. This one I've had for a longer period of time. But you can see at the moment lots of green, which is good. So Lloyd's is the one I hold the most of, and that's actually up 14.29%. And you can see a nice gain there of £67.60. I must say that actually this portfolio is really a dividend portfolio. It's not actually there for capital gains, albeit the capital gains are currently great on these. So if I just run through the others, Imperial Brands I've bought recently. The reason I bought this is the price continues to drop, and actually I think that there's a good buying opportunity here. I think the yield of the dividend is increasing as the value decreases, and therefore I'm not too worried about that £7.31 loss, and I'll continue to put money in that as that continues to drop, because I think that's a good yield generator. Commercial properties I hold as it's a monthly stock, monthly dividend paying stock, and therefore it's nice to have some income coming in every month, albeit the dividend seems to be about 0.5 pence per share, so not a great deal of income coming from that. Then I've got some sort of robo fund that's effectively tracking the robotics and automation industry, UK dividends, Page Group, Virgin Money, Aviva, National Grid, UK Gilts, AbbVie, which seems to have increased by 22.87% since I've held it. Now, I only actually hold 2 shares in it, but it's gained £24.83, which is great. IBM was a recent purchase, Vodafone, S&P 500, which I think is just great to track, ITV, BT, FTSE 100 again, just to really track the FTSE, and then AT&T. So you can see I've got a reasonably, all of my money seems to be in that. But if I click on sector, I've got a reasonably diverse, portfolio at the moment, albeit a lot of it seems to be in finance. It still is reasonably diverse. So I really wanted to keep this video as short as possible, so I'm going to stop it there. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I will be doing more and more videos updating sort of more specifics on individual stocks, why I've bought them. I haven't just bought them because they're decreasing in value or there's a good dividend on them. I've really understood the financials, and I'm going to explain how I understand the financials and what makes a good buy for me in future videos. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, peace.